So, you want to learn to knit. Today, I am so excited to share with you everything you need from Michaels to kickstart your knitting journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your supplies, Michaels has you covered. So let's jump right in. First off, you'll need a good set of knitting needles. I recommend the 14-inch anodized aluminum knitting needles by Loops and Threads. They're lightweight and perfect for beginners. For larger projects and more variety in general, consider picking up the 36-inch circular knitting needles by Loops and Threads. They're great for knitting in the round and handling bigger projects with ease. Next, you'll need a reliable pair of scissors. The 6.5-inch ultra sharp spring tension scissors by Loops and Threads are fantastic for precision cutting and snipping yarn cleanly. Stay organized with the transparent yarn project bag by Loops and Threads. It's spacious enough to hold your yarn skeins, needles, and other essentials, while the clear design allows you to easily see everything inside. For finishing your knit projects neatly, you'll need some yarn needles. Michaels offers steel needles by Loops and Threads for fine work and the Loops and Threads plastic yarn needles for everyday use. Consider adding the Clover Jumbo Tapestry needle set to your kit for larger projects and finishing tasks. Stitch markers are essential for keeping track of your stitches, especially in intricate projects. Michaels carries the Loops and Threads Carabiner stitch markers in a pack of 20. These have a locking mechanism. If that's not essential for you, you can opt for the Crochet Dude stitch marker rings for added versatility. Accurate measurements are crucial in knitting. Pick up the Loops and Threads tape measure with a generous 60-inch length, or go for the 60-inch retractable tape measure by Loops and Threads for convenience and portability. Of course, you can't knit without yarn. Michaels has a wide variety of different fibers, weights, and colors. Explore the selection and find the perfect yarn for your next knitting project. I've personally provided tons of suggestions here in the channel, so feel free to look around. Lastly, don't forget to browse through my patterns and projects here in the channel. Whether you're interested in knitting scarves, sweaters, or even blankets, I have plenty of inspiration to get you started. And if you're totally brand new, I highly suggest my Ultimate Project Guide video that I recently released. And there you have it, everything you need to get started with knitting, all available at Michaels. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafting tips. Thank you for watching, and happy knitting. Bye!